That's a good one too. That's a good one. On today's video, we're going to be fishing a local private pond that we have permission to be on. We're here pretty early. It's almost 6 o'clock this morning, and we're going to try to get on the topwater bite and try a couple other things out. So we'll see how it goes, but y'all just stay with us, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. I like my new seat. Got one, Craig. Little bass. Oh. He wasn't happy about that. Yeah.
He just went right by you. He was about 50 feet in the air.
A duck?
Yeah. One duck. Getting it. Look at you, baby.
That's a good one too.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
What'd you catch it on?
Fluke. Just flicking it, and
yeah.
I wasn't flicking it real fast.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good one.
Pretty healthy for here, huh?
Yeah, that's a healthy fish. It looks like he's been caught a couple times.
Does he?
He's got a couple holes in his mouth.
Oh, man. He's hungry, obviously.
Yes, sir.
Man, as soon as that thing hits the water.
That's the crankbait?
Yep.
Nice.
As soon as it landed, dude, he's gone.
Another small one. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hate we didn't catch a ton of fish or any really big fish, but it's just good to get out and enjoy creation. So just thank y'all for watching, and if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see y'all next time.